Hi, this is Tim Green, and today we're going to talk about the long tail content strategy for 2019. A lot of people, when they think about creating content, they don't put any thoughts in it at all, or they just think about let's go for the popular keywords, and that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. You have to see how this works. You're late to the game. If you're just starting out, you're late to the game, and there is already tens of thousands of millions of articles of websites that have created content, have created amazing articles, long form content on all the popular keywords that are already taken. There is already some amazing website ranking for each of those popular keywords. If you're trying to rank an article around a popular keyword, you're going to have to put in a lot more work, a lot more effort. It's going to take you a way longer time. You need more backlinks. Your articles have to be longer. They have to be of higher quality, more engaging. You have to get more social media shares. It's an entire different game. It's so much work to compete for popular keywords. So what you can do instead, you can work with long tail keywords. So let me give you an example. What is a short term or popular keyword versus a long tail keyword? So for example, you might have digital photography. That's a popular keyword. 2 words, popular keyword, millions of results. So if you want to, let's say you want to sell cameras, what can you do in terms of content marketing if you want to reach people who are interested in digital photography? Do you write an article and let's call it digital photography trends in 2019? So that might actually work. But the thing is, if you're trying to rank for digital photography, someone is typing this in, it's going to be really difficult. What you could do instead, you could think about something that is indirectly indicating that someone is interested in digital photography. As an example, think about digital photography as an entire ecosystem. There are cameras inside, there are photography techniques, there are famous photographers, there is photo manipulation software, there is different filters you can apply, there is different problems people might face. They might have some, for example, let's say there is someone who has a pimple in their face and they want to know how to remove a pimple. So now, who would type in how to remove a pimple in Photoshop into Google? Who would do that? That's obviously someone who is interested in digital photography as well. But you're going way down the line. You're finding a very niche, very small problem that is indicating that someone is also interested in the much broader topic of digital photography. So now, how to remove a pimple in Photoshop is normally way easier to rank for than for a broad term like digital photography. So if you can get someone to sign up on your newsletter, maybe to download a tutorial how to remove a pimple in Photoshop, then you can also be fairly sure that this person might also be interested in buying a camera. So by creating an article for something that is easy to rank for, even though there's a smaller search volume, but it's easier to rank for, you're getting high on the top, you're getting on page 1, you're getting more people to sign up for your email, and then effectively the cost per email is way lower than to putting all of this effort into ranking for one of those broader keywords. So by having multiple articles that are ranking for several different long tail keywords, you're ultimately getting more people on your email list. The same people, all of those people are all interested in digital photography, and you can still promote your camera to them. But you paid less and you got better results, and you got better results quicker. So this is my recommendation for 2019. Use a long tail content strategy for whatever articles, videos you're creating. Find the topics that are a lot of search volume, but there is little or no competition for it, and create multiple pieces, build up an entire content cluster, and then convert every single article, every single video into newsletter subscribers, and then you can promote your business. And over time, you will see that a lot of those small pages start to rank because there's little or no competition. So you're building up backlinks, a lot of backlinks through all your small little assets on your website, and this will in turn rank your website as a whole, and in the end you can even go for popular keywords such as digital photography and start to rank for this, because now your domain has a lot of domain authority because you got all those relevant backlinks from this content cluster. So let me know in the comments Do you use a long-term or short-term content strategy? Do you actually have a content strategy? Like, how did it work out for you? And make sure that you subscribe and hit the little bell button if you want to get more videos about content marketing and digital marketing strategies that work in 2019 and beyond. See you soon.